Are you an IMG applying for a US residency match program? Do you know networking has been one of the dark horses which has been responsible for success of a lot of IMGs. So here are 3 ways which you can network and build and improve your profile. Number 1, immediately start and create your LinkedIn profile. Your visibility on LinkedIn opens up door to opportunities like research, observership and specialty mentorship. Number 2, you could be active on a platform called Twitter. Twitter opens up opportunities to connect with various IMGs from different nationalities, connect with them in terms of the timeline, residency virtual open houses and many such opportunities. Also, the third and a crucial one is clinical rotation. While you are doing clinical rotation in a particular city in United States, it is always important to network with current residents or attending physicians and also other IMG friendly hospitals in that city. Connect them over LinkedIn and Twitter, meet to them over coffee and try assessing their profile, assessing your profile by them and understand how competitive it is and what all can you do to improve. So here is your opportunity and here is your chance to shine amongst your peers. So any further support or help required or such tips required, reach out to MOKSH Academy platform and we'll be happy to guide you through this journey of residency application.